Fix your problems related to dogs thanks to this video. Perfection is in the eye of the beholder. Whether or not you've made mistakes with your dog doesn't matter as long as you have always provided them with love. That said, read on to find out more about tips and tricks regarding your dog and how to avoid some mistakes others have made. You may know that chocolate is dangerous for dogs, but you may not know the specifics. Chocolate is dangerous because of the stimulants caffeine and theobromine. Baking chocolate is the most dangerous, with a high amount of stimulants. White chocolate contains the least amount of stimulants. Take your dog to vet if he ingests chocolate. Keep on top of fleas. Not only can fleas cause infection in your dog, if one is swallowed, your pet can get tapeworms as well. Speak to your veterinarian about the best prevention method, but remember that this is not a one-shot deal. You will have to continue your efforts over the life of your pet. Your dog has teeth just like you, so it makes sense that he needs proper dental care. Invest in a dog toothbrush and brush his teeth often. Simply allowing the vet to do it at his regular checkups is not enough. You can also purchase treats that are specifically meant to help with your pet's teeth. If your puppy or dog is constantly chewing up your furniture, invest in some chew toys. Scatter them around the floor, especially around the legs of the sofa and end tables. Be enthusiastic about your offers to play with the chewies with your dog to encourage frequent use. This should eventually deter him from chomping your furniture. Make use of hand signals when training your dog versus relying only on verbal commands. Using hand gestures can help your dog to recognize commands quicker. Look at both options and see if one particular way works best. It is important for you to take your dog in to see the vet on a fairly regular basis. Just like humans, dogs can develop health problems like toothaches, arthritis and weight gain. Do not wait until you think your dog is sick before taking him in to be seen. Giving your dog a bath is essential to his health. Depending on his size and activity level, toss him in the tub weekly or monthly and always use a shampoo that is made for dogs and is pH balanced. Pets have different pH levels than humans, and a good dog shampoo will leave your canine clean with a beautiful shiny coat. Regularly brushing your dog's fur won't just stop your pet from shedding on your furniture. Regular brushing encourages a healthy, shining coat. This is caused by the motion, since brushing distributes oils that keep skin soft, shiny and healthy. Perfect advice is impossible to find. That said, what you have watched here is a great start to your dog education. While your dog and your situation differ from those of the authors, the general knowledge you have gained is priceless. Make use of what you have learned today to make for a better tomorrow. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.